The disappearance of little girl has shaken South Africa, leaving an entire community desperate for answers and praying for the safe return of the 2-year-old girl. Now, in a shocking twist to the case, police in Limpopo have arrested the child's own grandparents for allegedly child negligence. The arrest come more than 2 weeks after Ompile mysteriously vanished from her grandmother's home in Hamabuyela village near Mukopane, Limpopo, during the early hours of 2 May 2026. According to the police reports, Ompile had been sleeping beside her 52-year-old grandmother on the night she disappeared. During the night, the grandmother allegedly woke up around 2 a.m. to go to the bathroom and took the toddler with her before returning to bed. But when the grandmother woke up again around 6 a.m., Ompile was gone. Even more disturbing was what she allegedly discovered. A window in the room had been left open, and in some reports, the gate to the family homestead was also found open. The family immediately panicked. That was definitely a shock, because who wouldn't panic in such a traumatic event? Neighbors and relatives reportedly rushed out to search nearby bushes, roads, and surrounding areas, hoping the toddler had wandered off, but there was no sign of her. Police then opened cases of housebreaking and kidnapping, believing someone may have entered the home and abducted the child while the family was asleep. At the time of her disappearance, Ompile was wearing a pink jersey and black tights. She also reportedly had her hair braided into a bun. As days passed with no breakthrough, the case began attracting national attention. Social media users across South Africa started sharing Ompile's pictures using the hashtag #BringBackOmpile. The emotional pain of the family also became public. Ompile's mother gave heartbreaking interviews pleading for the safe return of her daughter. In one emotional statement, she said, "I do not know how my child is doing, let alone know if she has eaten or is warm wherever she is." That will be a question on any parent's child right now, considering the season that we are in, the winter's time. She also begged whoever may have taken the child to bring her back alive. Ompile's father described the disappearance as something completely unheard of in their community. "This has never happened before," he reportedly said. He described Ompile as a cheerful, bubbly child who loved people and was not afraid of strangers. As the search intensified, police also had to deal with another problem: false information spreading online. And we all know how social media could be brutal. People just create random stories about the child being found when Ompile is not yet found. The rumors caused outrage and heartbreak, forcing Limpopo Police Commissioner to publicly deny the claims. She warned that spreading misinformation during such a sensitive investigation was irresponsible and harmful to the family. Police insisted that Ompile had not been found and that the search remained active. Meanwhile, community pressure continued growing. Residents of Hamabuyela and nearby villages reportedly demanded answers and called for stronger police action, in which it's only fair for the nearby villages to do so. Some community members even began questioning how someone could allegedly enter a home at night, remove a child, and disappear without being noticed. Now, the investigation has taken a dramatic turn. On Friday, 15 May 2026, members of the Mokopane Family Violence, Child Protection and Sexual Offences Unit arrested Ompile's grandparents, aged 52 and 55, on allegations of child negligence. That was a quick turn. The pair are expected to appear before the Mahwelereng Magistrates Court on Monday, the 18th of May 2026. The case has become even more emotional because it comes during South Africa's Child Protection Month, a time meant to focus on the safety and well-being of children. In a public statement, Limpopo MEC for Transport and Community Safety described the incident as a cowardly attack on the most vulnerable among us. She urged every South African to help find Ompile, saying, "Silence protects criminals, not children." And now, the biggest question remains unanswered. Who could be behind Ompile's disappearance? And for what reason? So, we are all wondering, where is Ompile Sithole? Police continue appealing to anyone with information to come forward immediately.